In this video, I'll show you how to install the add-on vehicle spawner mod to easily spawn any custom vehicle in GTA 5 story mode. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the ScriptHookV and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. No stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Select this tinput8.dll and ScriptHookV.dll and drop inside of a game folder. And once you're done, go back. Open the ScriptHookV.net. Select this ScriptHookV.net.asi and select .NET 2.dll, 3.dll, then drop inside of a game folder and then go back. Open the add-on spawner. Select this ASI and this folder, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Once you've done this, close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F5 to open up this add-on spawner. Using the up arrow and down arrow, you can choose options. To select option, press enter. To go back, press S backspace key and go to search vehicles. Search in. Using the right arrow, change game vehicles and add-on vehicles. In add-on vehicles, you can able to see all the added cars. Just press enter to select the car, and that's how you can spawn any add-on cars. Press F5 to close this menu and enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.